Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing specifics. Confirm your account and the latest game patch because spawn tables change. Once done, head to known grayscale habitats, dark biomass and night cycles, where spawn rates increase. Make sure to position in a 0. 5% boost spot if available. You'll want bait, a net, and 3 free inventory slots. These items speed capture and prevent accidental loss. Do this now so you can begin targeted encounters immediately. This avoids wasted searching later. You proceed with focused attempts. Move stealthily and avoid light to boost grayscale encounter probability, because these entities react to illumination. Then deploy bait and refresh it every 2-3 minutes. If nothing appears, change lure types to trigger alternative spawn tables. Once you detect rare signals like visual flicker or a drop in ambient sound, ready your net and approach slowly. Make sure to time the capture window precisely. These steps convert repetitive searching into systematic, high-yield attempts. You finish by securing each Grayscale Chomik in labeled containers and logging location and time. This prevents duplicates and tracks patterns. Once you reach near complete collection, use storage slots or trade duplicates to free space and maintain momentum. If progress stalls, reset the session, switch to a different biome, and verify mods or patches. Sometimes conflicting mods alter spawn tables. Make sure to test one change at a time so you can identify what fixed the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.